Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Apps again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to unlink your Facebook account from your Instagram account. And now, without further ado, let's start right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now, to remove or disconnect your Facebook account from Instagram, the process will have to be done from the Instagram app itself and not the Facebook. Now, let's unlink our Facebook and our Instagram account. For that, let's open up our Instagram app. And after opening your Instagram app, you can see this kind of interface where you can see your profile picture icon on the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on the profile picture icon on the bottom right corner of your screen, and after that, on this interface you can see the three-lined icon on the top right corner of your screen. Tap on the three-lined icon like this, and when this pop-up appears, you can see the settings button available at the top of it. Tap on settings, and on this interface again you can see the account option available over here just below the apps. Tap on account, and on this category or this interface, you would have to find the share to other apps, which is over here just below the contact syncing. Tap on sharing to other apps, and after that you can see the Facebook is currently active over here, so tap on that. And after landing on this interface, you can see the account center on the bottom of the screen. Tap on the account center, and you can see, and on this interface you can see the accounts over here. Tap on accounts, and you can see the remove accounts over here. If you tap on the remove on the Facebook account, you can see the top one is my account of Facebook. If I tap on remove and continue and remove my Facebook account, and you can see guys, my Facebook account has been unlinked from my Instagram. And so guys, this is how you unlink your Facebook account from your Instagram account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.